Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a 2021 Grand Design Imagine. I'm not sure what model number is because the sticker's worn off the side, but Zach's in the process of doing the frame cracks on the I-beams. So you can see he's got his welder and all that fun stuff out here. That was him just walking away. Let me get underneath here. So he's already gone through and put the V-braces in, welded those all in place. Looks like he's done one L bracket over here on the side, so you can see that. Basically, you know, when we come across these, anytime we're doing a wheel burn pack or if we see them, we're able to go ahead and reach out to Grand Design, turn them in. So basically what happened, let's pretend you had a crack here, right? So we would drill the crack out on the ends, grind the crack out, go back, weld the crack, grind it down flat, then grind up the surface, and then put that bracket that's right there back on, and then weld back around it in that perimeter just like it's done. Then we go back through and we paint it with an automotive trim black paint. That's an automotive grade paint, and we'll go ahead and hit all the brackets and V-braces. So again, if you haven't seen like what the V-braces are, he's still got to come in here and finish doing some paint work and whatnot. Then he's obviously got to go back in and resecure all the underbelly. So we'll go ahead and do slight cuts in it so we can fold it out of the way to make sure when he's welding on these brackets that there's no wiring behind there, there's no hydraulic hoses, no propane lines, or anything that can catch on fire or get burnt, because you are getting that surface of that still hot. So anyway, stay tuned for more. And if you're having problems with your suspension or your frame, come see us here at California RV Specialist. We'll be happy to help you. And if it's something we can turn into one of the many different manufacturers that we do warranty work on, we will do so. Keep in mind that we only are doing warranty work for Grand Design RV, Brinkley RV, Alliance RV, and Outdoors RV. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much again for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist.